Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up your WhatsApp with email. So to do that, first up, open your WhatsApp app on your device. Once you are on the app, you can see three dots on the top of the screen. Click on the settings option. Now once you click the settings option, scroll down and click on chats option. Under the chat option, you can see the chat backup option. Click on it. Once you click on backup, it will ask you if you want to backup your chats daily, weekly or monthly. So here I have selected weekly. After I selected weekly, they asked me to add my Gmail account. As you can see, I have already chosen my Gmail account to add in. Now it will take few times to authenticate. Once it's done, it will take you to somewhat like this. Click on allow option. Now your Gmail account has been successfully added to WhatsApp. So next time you log into WhatsApp, you could use your Gmail account. So this is how easily you can sign up your WhatsApp with Gmail account. If you found the video to be helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.